So here is the fake corset like tank top that I dyed and drew on with fabric markers. It is not the greatest, but it will totally do the job. But here it is. If you wish to know how to do this, keep watching. So here is the other one I finished dyeing. The splotchy, colorful one. You see the splotches on the back? This is what I wanted. This is what I got. So this is what it looks like after it's been washed a whole time and dried. All the colorful spots. I really want to draw on this one, but I like it how it looks because I can also do this. Ta-da! I can add a corset belt to it and make it look a little bit more better than that. However, it does cover the splotches up, therefore I don't really want to draw on this. I can use this as just an overshirt with a jacket or whatever. By the way, guys, you like my ruffles? Ah! I am wearing underneath the tank top and stuff I got from Goodwill. No, Salvation Army. I got this from Salvation Army for 50 cents, guys. Like, I figured this is like the perfect Prism Steam undershirt to wear. Like the poofy, cutesy sleeves. Yeah, totally. To dye this white tank top. It is 95% cotton and 5% spandex. We're going to try dyeing it purple. I have my cup of salt, even though this is cup salt, so it's going to take a little bit of time to get this dissolved. So we need that dissolved first before we continue. Make sure all the salt is completely dissolved. Okay. Now, add your garment. I want this pastel, I'm not going to add a lot. Let's try that for now and see how that does. And then continuously stir it for about 20 minutes. So this one's pretty much done. I want to let it sit here for a few more minutes. And while I'm letting it sit here, I want to use this water from the dye bath to spot dye this one. Get a cup you don't really care about, or else it might stain it. This one's already purple, so it works. Just gonna pour a little bit in here, make sure it's not dripping. Then we're gonna try spot dyeing this one. See how well that comes out. So we're going to let that sit and see how that comes out. If that comes out great, then I can add more color to it. So far, it looks like it kind of dyed it. If I had it flatter, I think it would work better. But this is okay. Like, I'm kind of going for a random color dye, so that works great. So, let's get this out of the bath. Add a little bit more color. And then I'm going to lay it right there. Yeah. Make a big old purple splotch right in the middle of the shirt. So there it is before I've rinsed it and everything. So let's give it a little rinse bath, shall we? Okay, I just gave it a quick rinse bath, run hot water through it, and then wrung it out. It's not dripping purple anymore, and here is the color of the tank top now. I did not do the stovetop method. I did not actually leave in there for 20 minutes. So depending on your garment and how dark you want it, that's how long you leave it in there. But it's not dripping purple at all. Whenever I go to wash it with detergent, it might drain a little bit. So what you're gonna do is simply, like, look at that. My fingers aren't even purplish, and I'm touching it when it's still wet. So what you're going to do in the wash is make sure you throw it in with light colors or old towels that you do not care about. So this is going to get thrown in with a load of towels of mine that I use for my hair dye. So it has plenty of bleach and chemicals already on the towels. They've all been washed before. It's just they're stained. So if this stains them, it does not matter. Yep. All purple tank top. Boom. Done. And this one is... I think it's been sitting there. Let's pull it up and see what it looks like. As you can see, where I just like threw that thing or the other on it, it has like a purple circle right there, kind of. But it is like kind of lightly stained purple, which is awesome because I'm going to actually dip this into a pink bath here soon and see how it looks after that, mixing purple and pink. So yeah, that one's a lighter purple, as you can see. So it's more pastel-y. It looks more stained like, and that's kind of what I was going for with that one. I wanted an all purple one, so I got that one. Yay! Now, after this dries, I'm planning on taking fabric markers and making a fake corset look. So that way I can wear this over clothes and have like a fake corset on without actually wearing a corset, until I can afford to buy more corsets to dye, or buy purple and pink corsets, depending on which comes first. So that's the process of dyeing cotton, 95% cotton, 5% spandex. I just used Rit Dye More Synthetic Royal Purple. This is actually better for polyester stuff. I got this originally for the corset I'm going to be dyeing. Okay, so to add more to this one, I just filled a cup of hot water and a tablespoon of the salt, and now I'm just going to add a little bit of pink to it. That's enough. Still lighter color, so add a little bit more pink to it. Yep, that's a good pink. Alright, so now then we're just going to splotch this on here now. And trying to make a bigger circle right there. So we're going to add the water right there. Make a circle there. Let that drain. Alright, and now I wanted to try making a circle here. See how that comes out. So there is the pink and purple spotted. Let me try to hold this up. You can see them. You can kind of see the purple and the pink spots, which I was going for, so that's awesome. And I've not used all of it, so let's make sure this gets poured down here and not on anything else. That was also dyed with Rit Dye More Synthetic, and I just use a tiny little bit So let's rinse this out and see how well it comes out. And voila, a purple and pink tank top. We're going to draw on this and make it look like a fake corset. I'm going to be using Marvy Usada? I don't know how to say that, but it's glitter deco fabric markers. I know for light and dark fabrics, and I have multiple colors. I don't know if I'll be using all these, but I got them out anyway. And I'll also be using tulip fabric markers. These are absolutely amazing, and if I can get it to pop open, they have all these colors. It's gonna be a little hard to do because I don't have a tripod yet. My tripod is coming through the mail. It should be here around February 4th, late January, early February, basically. And then when it gets here, I will be so happy to have it. Although I still feel like it's not going to work 100% like I want it to, because I got it off a Wish, but we're going to see how that comes. So let's get started. So I'm going to try to make a line all the way down, but I really need a bigger marker for this. I want to try to create a pink look.